In this video, we will present the properties bar and some examples on how to change an object by applying new properties. Let's see how this works. First of all, the software automatically puts stitches on anything you draw or import. At the properties bar, you can see the properties of the parts that are selected each time. For example, select any design part, and at the properties bar, you shall see the applied stitch types and the available options for those selected parts. If nothing is selected, then the properties bar is minimized on the top right area of the design area. Its contents change dynamically based on the currently selected object. Any design part can have both fill and outline stitches on the same object. So, the properties bar contains two sections. The fill section, with all the types that can be used to fill any closed shape, and the outline section, which has all the types that can be applied on a line, whether it is an open line or the outer line of a closed shape. But not all objects have both fill and outline types applied. So, if you have a closed shape that has no outline color, then you cannot apply outline types. Therefore, the outline section is hidden. The same goes for any closed shape that has no fill color. The fill section is hidden. In these cases, and in order to apply any fill or outline types, you need to set a fill or outline color respectively. And then the fill or outline section becomes visible. So, the usage of the properties bar is simple. Select any design part. If you want to change the fill type, go to Fill section and click on the icon of the currently selected type to expand the list with the available types. Now, click on the icon of the type you like. As you can see, the new type is automatically applied. For each type you select, you may see the available customizable options below. You can change density or apply any pattern you like. Just like that, you can adjust the look of any selected object. Likewise, you may change the outline, adjust its options, apply any style of stitches, and make your design unique. It is really easy to change stitch types and adjust them according to the needs of your designs. One thing that I'd like to draw your attention to is the Auto checkbox. By default, the software automatically selects and applies fill and outline types. When Auto is checked, this means that the software has automatically selected the fill or outline type for this object. If you change the stitch type or any of the properties, then Auto is unchecked. If you wish to go back to what was automatically selected by the software, you simply need to check the Auto again. This is very useful when, for example, you've made many changes to a new design and you want to cancel all those changes. You may do so by using this tool from the properties bar and start afresh. Have in mind that the available fill and outline types vary according to the enabled techniques. So, these are the fill types when only the embroidery technique is enabled. But if you also enable the paint technique, you have multiple paint types available too.